This is the camera glass replacement for the Pixel 8 Pro. Here's the Pixel 8 Pro. I'm going to do the camera glass replacement on. The design of the camera glass on the Pixel 8 Pro is much better than the Pixel 7 Pro. Here you have to replace only one camera glass. For the Pixel 8 Pro, I will be using isopropyl alcohol. This is 100%. You will need a sharp blade in order to go between the camera glass and the frame of the device in order to lift the broken camera glass. I started by dipping the blade inside the alcohol and bring the blade near the camera glass area. This is going to push the right amount of alcohol between the broken camera glass and the double-sided tape that is under the camera glass. So near this sensor, I started to remove the broken camera glass. I was able to lift a small piece of glass first. After removing that, I have a small gap in order to insert my blade and go between the camera glass and the frame of the device. Having the alcohol on the blade is going to make it easier to lift the broken camera glass. While doing this, make sure that you do not scratch the metal frame around the camera bezel because it is very easy to scratch and it will leave scratches if you have the blade rub on it. You can see I just removed a big piece of broken glass already, and the alcohol is making it very easy to remove. So starting with the Pixel 7 Pro, using a heat gun is not going to be more efficient than using the alcohol because they use some type of double-sided tape that is not really double-sided tape. It is more like plastic with some glue on it. You also need to be careful around the camera modules because while inserting the blade, you may touch the camera modules and that is not very good for the camera on your Pixel 8 Pro. Also, using alcohol is the best because you're not going to create any dust created by broken glass. This is very important because if you create more dust by removing the broken glass, the dust may find its way on the camera modules and it might damage your camera. The camera on the middle is the bigger camera, so while working the blade under the broken camera glass, make sure that you do not touch that camera module. Also, something that happened to me that you should not do is having the broken camera glass fall again on the camera module. This is going to leave some stains on the camera module. It is basically going to leave some residue on the camera module camera lens. Also, if you put the blade inside the alcohol and bring it near the camera glass, when you feel too much resistance, just dip the blade inside the alcohol again and bring it back near the camera glass and insert it. You will see it is going to be easier. Currently, I have removed almost 2/3 of all the broken camera glass. The only one left is the one that is on top of the zooming camera, and I'm going to remove it as one piece. As you can see, all the camera glass on this Pixel 8 Pro has been removed. Before going to the installation of the new camera glass, I need to clean the area where the new camera glass is going to be installed. Cleaning simply means to remove all the residual glue or double-sided tape that is on the camera bezel. Using alcohol to remove the broken camera glass on the Pixel 8 Pro is good, but this is the result of it. You need to do a little bit of cleaning before the installation of the new camera glass. So it is very important to test all the cameras to make sure that they are working properly before you do the installation of the new camera glass. This is a critical step that a lot of people tend to forget, and after I see them in the comment box. On this Pixel 8 Pro, everything was good. All the camera were in focus after I did my test, and right before you do the installation, make sure that you blow some air on the camera modules to push away anything or any residue that is on the camera modules. So this is the last test of the cameras before I do the installation of the new camera glass on this Pixel 8 Pro. Before installation of the new camera glass, you need to remove the blue protecting film that is on top of the double-sided tape. After removing that, make sure that you do not touch the double-sided tape and blow a little bit of air on the camera modules before you install the new camera glass. The installation is very easy. You just need to align the new camera glass with the camera bezel. After alignment, you just need to let go of the camera glass and it will sit inside the frame where it has to sit. Now you need to apply some pressure with your finger on the camera glass. Make sure that you keep applying some pressure with your finger for at least 1 minute. The next step will be to remove the protecting film that is on top of the camera glass. So after that, I just need to clean the camera lens area to make sure that it is clean and remove any stains left by the alcohol. In my case, I cleaned the camera bezel area with a little bit of alcohol first. After that, I just used the dry cloth in order to clean and make everything clear. As you can see, the camera glass has been replaced and we have only one thing left to do is to test the cameras again to make sure that it is working properly. Everything is good on this Pixel 8 Pro. If you have any issues focusing on any object at this point, it must be the new camera glass that you installed. Something must be on the inside of the camera glass when you installed it.